Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of disabling memories notifications in Snapchat. Are you tired of receiving constant alerts about memories? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. In the notifications menu, locate the option labeled Memories and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch. Simply disable it to turn off Memories notifications. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable Memories notifications in Snapchat and enjoy a more personalized experience without constant reminders of past moments. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.